Hi, in this video I'd like to introduce you to CryptoTab, a Google Chrome extension that you can use in your browser to earn cryptocurrency while simply using your web browser. Here's the main page that they have, and I signed up roughly a week ago. Let me show you the results I got so far. Okay, we are now here in the admin area of CryptoTab, and you can see that I earned so far 0.000439003 Bitcoin. By the way, they add another 4 digits at the end just to make you see it increase better while you're using the mining function on. And I personally, by the way, use the setting low. You can choose between having a completely off, low, normal or high. Especially if you're in a warm climate or if you're on a slower computer, definitely go to low, don't use normal or high. Personally, my computer could easily handle normal as well. High, it could handle if I don't do anything else, but I think low is fine. So I have this running for about a week now, and it's running no matter what browser tab I am in my browser. And even if I don't use a browser at all, use something else, simply by having the extension in here, right here, and you see the green little light there, you're mining and earning. If you turn this off, by the way, you can have a look. See this now turns into red, and you see it's currently not mining at all. Let's turn it back to low, the setting that I usually use. And you see, by the way, down here the mining speed with which you currently earn. See here, it's right now going up to roughly 12 about. And by the way, CryptoTab uses JavaScript from coinhive.com. I use that myself on my site, of many sites as one of the capture options that we provide. And coinhive.com basically allows you to earn Monero cryptocurrency in your browser. And what CryptoTab does is basically it pools the earnings from everybody, exchanges the Monero currency that it earns into Bitcoin, and uses that then to pay out the members for their earnings. Very simple and straightforward. By the way, if you happen to run into the issue that you have an antivirus software on your computer running that's a little bit overzealous, then simply make sure that you whitelist CryptoTab and coinhive.com in your antivirus software to be able to properly use it. If you don't see the mining speed going up in your case, simply make sure that these two sites are whitelisted in your antivirus and you're fine. Again, CoinHive, the system that CryptoTab is using, is absolutely harmless. I've been using it for many months myself. It's a simple JavaScript that only runs while the browser is open. So absolutely harmless. Nothing gets installed on your computer, and it helps you to earn while you're using your browser. So now you see here my total earned in the last roughly 7 days. It's a little bit less than 7 days actually. So far I have earned roughly 7 cents myself from the mining on the low setting. So about 1 cent per day. So it's not much, right? But the thing is, you don't really expect to earn a lot from your own mining here. The way it works is that you share this program with as many people as you can, and they share it with others, and the CryptoTab pays you on 10 levels deep. And so you earn a percentage on every single level of referrals that you get in. And let me show you in my example, I have a total of 1,647 referrals here in a week. All I've done basically is I sent one email out to my lists. That's how I got my referrals. And I didn't get them all myself. I got a part of them myself, and the rest is the effect of people inviting people. Let's actually have a closer look at the total numbers here that I achieved in the last week. So you can see out of the 1,647, I myself, in parentheses, only refer 480. I understand that 480 is quite a lot still for a week, but keep in mind that this is something completely free. Everybody who joined this didn't have to pay a dime themselves. All we do is we're using our computer power to mine, and that way earn an income. And the leverage comes in by referring people who refer people, etc. You can see I have now referrals here on 9 levels, and CryptoTab pays out a small percentage per level. Let me actually show you the details of how they pay out. Let's make an example. Let's say I referred like 10 or more, and each of them refers, let's say 3. Then that's the income to be expected within these parameters. So basically on those that you personally referred, you earn 15% what they earn. On the second level you get 10%, third level 5%, fourth level 3%, fifth 2%, sixth 1%. On the seventh level you earn 0.5%, on the 8th level 0.25%, on the 9th level 1/8%, and on the 10th level 1/16%. And so basically these numbers then add up, and you end up getting a certain income. By the way, you might have noticed on the sign up page that said something earn up to a Bitcoin in a month. I tell you my honest opinion about that, that's a bit exaggerated. To be able to get there, you need to have like a downline of 20-30,000 people or something. And I'm not there yet, and probably most people will never get there. I mean, to earn a Bitcoin a month, you need massive leverage. But hey, if you got a couple dollars extra, let's say you refer, let's say 5 people total. Let's say each of them only refers 2. Let's have a look. Then it ends up getting you to about $54 a month. And for a lot of people, $54 extra a month is something. Not too bad. Now, of course, no matter what happens, in the end, it there's all down to, do they actually pay out? Because, hey, yeah, you don't risk anything because you can use this for free, but do you receive the payout? That's the question that everybody asks themselves. If I use this and then I end up earning myself some income here, will I receive the money? Well, you know what? I waited now. I've now passed the minimum withdrawal amount or the recommended withdrawal amount, and that's 0.0004. So let's give it a try. Let's see if I receive my payment. Let's put in my Bitcoin wallet address here and say I want to withdraw the whole amount. See if I can copy and paste from here, put the whole amount in there and click on withdraw. The payment request successfully been created. You will get your funds soon. Okay, soon can be now anywhere from a couple minutes to a couple hours. Let's see, depending on the speed of the blockchain. Obviously, I don't let you wait here in front of the camera all the time. I'll pause the video and we'll get back to you as soon as I see the money arriving in my Bitcoin wallet. Okay, and now we're back. It's been about 23.5 hours, so almost a day. And the payment has now been sent. Let's actually click here on check to have a look inside blockchain.info. If you scroll all the way down here, you see the transaction has been paid to my Bitcoin wallet address, or one of my Bitcoin wallet addresses, and the exact amount that we withdrew. And we can even look over here in my Bitcoin wallet. I use Exodus in this case here. It's one of my Bitcoin wallets that I use. And you can see here the payment arrived roughly an hour ago. So the money arrived, I got it, and it worked wonderful. So I can absolutely recommend using CryptoTab for yourself. And look at this. Since we withdrew about a day ago, our earnings went up again to about 10,000 Satoshi. Okay, now that you see how it works with CryptoTab, I recommend highly that you get your own CryptoTab Google Chrome extension installed and share it with others and start earning like I do. Thanks a lot for watching this video and have a great day.